Ukuba rugukusana igoro ye chitariki nabo igo siasa yensi ya Kenya kwena ko gukwira barai au kunyana ko bagwesokia na sugukia komochia chinsemo chinde chirichure chitariki ko igwana se chinsemo cha siasa nabo igo banya ko bagweresa ruguteseneka kwabo igoro ye chinsemo ibere chinkonchi kunyana ko ba chikurutira namangana aratu kunyana ko bagosalia omorembe ase ense ya Kenya moteneri we kanisa ya Anglican Church ase ensemo ya Kisijo Jono ina ninga kunyana ko bagagotebanga ogotena bokongwe nsemo chiria cha NASA na Jubilee na kirire aba Kenya kororango wo bamburo bwo kuchutubuka kwanda kega segi NASA atabire nga ogocha kubwaterana na bigo gutatwara tinsemo ntenera tinkong na jacho na ko bachikolento moremba sense ya Kenya.
Every day from Jubilee and NASA we are seeing them drumming or beating the drums of confusion and war in the country, war of words and stirring up emotions of the ordinary citizens. The status is not good. The political temperatures from both divides are not good signs for the country. Of particular concern is the things which the hard stance between Jubilee and NASA. For instance, when Jubilee stands and say, we have numbers in parliament and everywhere. Even if NASA doesn't come on board, we will still do things, closing eyes and ignoring the opposition. You know, opposition represents almost half of the country, and you cannot ignore such a huge number. For us as a church and as ordinary citizens, we are not interested on numbers. We are interested on relationships, good relationship of the ordinary citizens to remain at peace. NASA also, their demands which are bringing on board about the IEBC reform, some of them are realistic, some of them are unrealistic. So they should be willing at most to accept minimum reforms for the interest of the country. Sometimes as a church we are criticized.
Orina ni ganyari ko bakubolia wateruranya ko boko baro asogocha kwenekianga okobaro kwa maskani kwetrasi chinsemo chonsi intenera no no chukuru wechukura cho president ngirari ko ba ko bekuno somo singi bocho ko nyoma Kenya ko ba kwegendereria
of the country, especially on democratization that we are enjoying today. As a church we are willing to come and sit them on the table so that we will facilitate dialogue which is aimed at reconciliation. This is the time that the political leaders are supposed to demonstrate leadership. They are supposed to demonstrate leadership by putting the interest of the country first.
Denis Orioki oro omugambi no boigo omuteneri wa basaya se county ya Kisia se getaye kebono ni go boiga akonyara ko bakwereseranga imebuli tetakigonya ko bekwaro yo kurutana mangana igoro ya gisiasa na igonga oborigeri goro boronge ko so boringo rwa mutakire ko rubori boronge kwenekianga obotumeki bwa mangana akonyara ko bekwaro n'abana siasa taje kunyara ko bakolenda lioroche asense ya Kenya.
Agenda yetu ya Jubilee na kueleza mwananchi kwamba Jubilee ni ile maendeleo tuliofanya bado tunaendelea, na tukiambia wenzetu ambao ni wa upinzani kama wameona watashindwa mapema waseme, lakini sisi tuko tayari. Tumeanza campaign kwa wakati huu na wasianze kutupa vitisho ambavyo wanatupatia kila wakati. Kila siku wao ni kwenda kwa vyombo vya habari kutoa ujumbe kwamba hatutaki uchaguzi, tunataka watu waondoke, tunataka watu waondolewe kwa ofisi. Hatukatai kama kulikuwa na makosa na imejulikana kuna mtu alikosa, hiyo tumeelewa. Wamefanya malalamishi yao, wamelalama, tumeelewa lalama zao na bado zitazikizwa.
Nigo Orioki atabiringa gwiterana sensemo yaye ereni garirie ira yochikwenekia nga Uhuru Kenyatta nyako bagako egwa chikura nyako bakonyo kurase argongo rwa gusi witena so kubabeka basamo ensemo na kubaiga ngeyo yochikomochora umurayi yase chinsemecho.
Tunasema kwamba muwe tayari mfanye mambo yenu, ikiwa ni campaign, wawe ni Jubilee, iwe ni chama ingine ya upinzani ikikuja kufanya campaign, muwe na utulivu, msikize sera, msilete joto yote, msifanye maafa yoyote. Mungoje msikie sera, alafu ikifika tarehe 17 kama ndio watachagua, tutapiga kura na amani na tuendelee kuishi na umoja. Na kila mtu anaishi Kisii, si Mkisii peke yake. Watu wote wanaishi Kisii, tuwape ujumbe wa kusema tutapiga kura zetu, viongozi tutachagua na tuishi na amani.
Bono kungusana no kuiga na kwanya ko bokurigirirwa muna agitangiye tangani yucuna ko bage kwira ni maega okungusana kororo iguru ya gisiasa iguru y'igitari kigwa gacigura nabo igo obafase bonya ko bakungusana kira cingaki kurbotiri mwanya gitingeti ya Militane Gilbert Kobi.